Good morning, everyone. Please listen calmly. Today, I want to share a simple story from real life. This story is about a working woman. You can listen, understand, and slowly practice speaking English with this story. My day starts very early in the morning. Before the sun rises, I wake up feeling sleepy but responsible. I know many people depend on me, so I get out of bed and begin my day. The house feels quiet and calm. I slowly prepare tea for myself and my family. This early morning time feels peaceful. It gives me a little energy for the day. After tea, I start doing household work. I clean the house and prepare breakfast carefully. I also pack lunch for everyone. I keep checking the time again and again. Sometimes I feel tired while doing all this work, but I remind myself that I must keep going. Then I get ready for the office. I wear simple clothes and tie my hair neatly. I look at myself in the mirror. I take a deep breath and smile. I leave home and go to the office. The roads are busy and full of noise. My mind is already full of work-related thoughts. I start planning my tasks for the day. At the office, I work seriously and with focus. Meetings, emails, and deadlines keep me busy. Sometimes the work feels easy. Sometimes it feels stressful and tiring. Even on stressful days, I stay calm. I always try my best to do my work well. After a few hours, I eat my lunch. It is simple, homemade food. I miss family conversations while eating, but soon I return to my work again. The afternoon passes with more responsibilities. I complete my tasks one by one. I feel tired as the day goes on. Still, I do not stop working. In the evening, I return home from the office. My legs feel heavy and my mind feels exhausted. Still, I smile when I see my family. Their faces make me feel better. After changing my clothes, I start my evening work. I cook dinner and help my children. I also listen to everyone at home. My day feels long but meaningful. At night, the house becomes quiet again. After dinner, I sit quietly for some time. This time feels special to me. It helps me relax and reflect. I think about my day and my dreams. Life is not easy, but I feel proud of myself. Before sleeping, I set my alarm for the next day. I close my eyes slowly and rest. Another busy day comes to an end. A new day will begin tomorrow. Being a working woman is not easy, but it makes us strong and independent. Every day teaches us something new. Every day gives us new experiences. You can also share your daily routine in English. Practice slowly and speak with confidence. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.